Gentlemen, let me ask you something personal. When was the last time you woke up truly rested? Not just I slept for 7 hours, but deeply rested, clear-headed, steady, grounded in your body. If you're over 50, there's a good chance the answer isn't recent. Maybe you wake up tired even after what should have been a full night's sleep. Maybe your erections aren't as reliable or as firm as they used to be. Maybe your energy feels like it's leaking away slowly, quietly, day after day. And here's the part most men don't talk about. It doesn't happen all at once. It sneaks up on you. 1 year you're fine. The next, you're telling yourself, I guess this is just what getting older feels like. But let me tell you something important. Man to man, doctor to friend, that tiredness, that loss of vigor, that restless sleep, those are not just signs of age. They're signals. Your body is trying to tell you something essential is missing. And here's the hopeful part, because there is hope. Fixing it doesn't require risky medications, embarrassing procedures, or chasing miracles. Sometimes the biggest changes come from restoring one missing piece. At the right time of day. Before we dive in, let me ask you to support this channel. Give this video a like so it reaches more men who need to hear this. Drop a comment below, tell me where you're watching from. I read them, and I truly care. And subscribe, because everything I share here is about helping men age with strength, dignity, and confidence. Now, let's talk about what's really happening inside your body at night. So many men over 50 sit across from me and say, Doctor, I guess this is just what happens when you get older. And every time, I stop them right there. Because no, this is not just aging. Aging does not automatically mean exhaustion. It does not automatically mean weak erections. It does not automatically mean shallow sleep and foggy mornings. What is happening is far more specific. Nighttime is not just when you shut your eyes and rest. Nighttime is when your body repairs itself. Biologically, this is when testosterone production peaks, blood vessels relax and regenerate, inflammation in the prostate calms down, your nervous system shifts into repair mode, and your mitochondria, your cells' power plants recharge. Emotionally, this repair process is what gives you resilience. It's what helps you wake up with patience, confidence, and desire for life. Practically, when this system breaks down, the first things you notice are poor sleep, frequent nighttime urination, weaker or inconsistent erections, low morning energy, less interest in intimacy, and here's the key insight most men never hear. When your nighttime recovery fails, your masculinity doesn't fade overnight, it erodes quietly. But that erosion is not permanent. Often, it traces back to one overlooked deficiency that nearly every man over 50 develops without realizing it. For those of you who are new here, my name is Dr. Jocelyn. I'm a men's health physician, and for the past 5 years, I've worked closely with men in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond men who felt like their best days were slipping away. I've listened to their fears. I've seen the frustration in their eyes. And I've watched what happens when the right fundamentals are restored. Let me be very clear and responsible here. This video is educational, not medical advice. I'm not promising cures. I'm sharing patterns I've seen again and again. One of the most powerful patterns? When sleep improves, everything else follows. Confidence improves. Energy returns. Erections strengthen naturally. Mood steadies. Relationships soften and reconnect. And in many cases, the turning point wasn't a prescription. It was correcting a nighttime mineral deficiency that affects sleep, testosterone signaling, blood flow, and nervous system balance all at once. So today, I'm going to walk you through the one vitamin-like mineral that matters most at night, the biggest mistakes men make when trying it, and how to use it properly, safely, and consistently. Stay with me because the details matter. Mistake number 1, ignoring magnesium deficiency. Let's talk honestly. The most common deficiency I see in men over 50 is magnesium. Biologically, magnesium is your body's calm switch. It helps shut down stress hormones and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for rest, repair, and sexual function. Without enough magnesium, your nervous system stays stuck in alert mode. Sleep becomes shallow. Testosterone signaling weakens. Blood vessels stay tense instead of relaxed. Emotionally, this leaves you waking up foggy, irritable, and discouraged. You may still want intimacy, but your body doesn't cooperate, and that takes a toll on confidence. Practically, magnesium deficiency shows up as restless sleep, leg cramps, frequent nighttime urination, Fewer morning erections, feeling tired no matter how long you sleep. This isn't aging. This is depletion. Mistake number 2, choosing the wrong form. This is where many good intentions go wrong. Men walk into a store, see magnesium on a cheap bottle, and assume all forms are the same. They're not. Magnesium oxide, for example, has poor absorption. It mostly stays in the gut and causes stomach upset without delivering real benefits. The forms that actually matter for men over 50 are magnesium glycinate, deeply calming, muscle relaxing, supportive of sleep and blood flow. Magnesium L-threonate, supports the brain, quiets racing thoughts, improves mental clarity. Biologically, these forms actually enter the tissues where sleep and sexual recovery happen. Emotionally, better absorption means less frustration and more noticeable results. Practically, it means your money isn't wasted. Mistake number 3, taking it at the wrong time. Timing matters more than most men realize. Magnesium sends a signal, it's safe to rest. If you take it in the morning, you may feel sluggish and you miss the recovery window entirely. The ideal time is 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Dim the lights. Put the phone down. Take it with warm water or herbal tea. You're not just taking a supplement, you're training your nervous system to shift into repair mode. Mistake number 4, expecting instant results. This one is critical. Magnesium is not a stimulant. It doesn't work like caffeine or quick fix pills. It works cumulatively. Here's what most men notice. First few nights, falling asleep faster. By week 1, deeper sleep, calmer mornings. By week 2, stronger morning erections, steadier energy. By weeks 3 to 4, improved mood, libido, and confidence. Consistency is everything. Here's a simple, responsible plan. Choose the right form, magnesium glycinate or L-threonate. Start low, about 200 milligrams of glycinate in the evening. Create a nighttime ritual. No screens, low light, calm environment. Stack smartly. Magnesium works even better alongside zinc and vitamin B6. Add gentle stretching. This helps magnesium relax muscles more effectively. This isn't about forcing results. It's about allowing your body to recover the way it was designed to. Let me pause here because I know what some of you are thinking. Doctor, maybe I've already lost too much ground. I want you to hear me clearly. It is not too late. I've seen men in their late 70s rediscover restful sleep. I've seen marriages soften again once exhaustion lifted. I've seen confidence return not from chasing youth, but from restoring balance. This isn't about being 25 again. It's about waking up with dignity, feeling steady in your body, and knowing your vitality isn't gone, it's just been buried under depletion. Fatigue, poor sleep, fading erections, these are not life sentences. They're signals, and signals can be answered. If this message helped you, please like this video so more men can find it. Comment below, where are you watching from? I love seeing this community grow worldwide. And subscribe for more guidance designed for men like you. You deserve energy. You deserve rest. You deserve intimacy that feels alive again. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and as always, take care of your health because you are worth it.